Where are the birdies? I don't even have a nut hatch. Nothing. I think they left a calling card. Look at this. This was full of sunflower hearts. That's empty. Empty. Look at all that sunflower litter down there. See that bag? That's a 50-pound bag of sunflower seeds. Gone. But look. Oh. There's a note. Can you read what that note says? And how about this mess? Hold on, hold on. Oh, yes. And this mess. Can you interpret what this means? And this? What is that white limey stuff? Oh. It's like spilled tea. What do you think it says? Oh, there's some more calling card notes. Yeah, what are these notes? Can you guys decipher what kind of note that is? What kind of thank you that is? Left behind. Left be... Oh. At least they didn't chew my peonies. Alright. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 that are 10 that are open. You know, if I take them inside, they'll close, or on a cloudy day, they close up. And I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 that are getting ready to open. No, more than that. There's some more right there. See right in the middle? Right there. Oh, I hear... Hello! Fishy, fishy, fishy! Fishy, fishy, fishy! Fishies! Come on, fishy! They feel safe hiding under there. I'll feed them. Fishy, fishy, fishy! I feel a little pooped on. Yep. That's all they left was poop. Come on, fishy, fishy. Whew, that stinks. Ooh, boy. They're hungry. I have a bald eagle that keeps coming around, but I can never catch it on camera. It's so maddening, frustrating, but he's here about every other week. But there's redwood trees that he hangs out at. But look at those water lilies. White water lilies. I have pink and yellow that I bought. They're $29, $39 a pot. And they were blooming here at the edge, and we moved them over here. That wasn't a good idea because they've never bloomed ever since. Oh, did you tell us? Yeah, foxglove. That's true that they make cardiac medication out of that. Had a cardiologist friend come over here. He told us about that. Look at that. Beautiful peonies. I ordered some from Home Depot, some beautiful peonies. And I'm going to plant them right here later today. Now this tree has to move, but look, it's the same tree, and it says white oleander, but I don't think this is an oleander because it doesn't have the oleander leaves. The oleanders are thicker leaves. More pointy. I love living here. I just pray the next person buying this place doesn't put a shop there. That would be horrible. But I'm glad the 20 acres across the street, they have tree farm and goats and horses and cows. But here's my other popcorn tree. I imagine in a few days it'll be all popped out, but these flowers are bigger. Can't wait till it blooms. Not a single bloom yet. But you can see the pods there. Here's one pod that will open up. Big white flower. I'll sneak over to the other side. Don't fall on my arse. Yikes. And my curly filbert. I don't know why I wanted this. I got it from Home Depot. Okay. See if we got any more popcorn popping on this tree on this hot day. Wow, yeah. It smells so good. See what I mean? Doesn't it look like popcorn to you? Oh, boy, does it smell good. Oh, what a beautiful... Oh, the fragrance is lovely. Wow. Almost like a lilac. It is a sweet, sweet smell. And any wonder the bumblebees and the bees are just coming around and buzzing. I don't like getting stung by bees or hornets, but I'm not allergic to them. One year I had to do 50 tables for a women's ministry program. And I was doing flowers in the centerpiece. Oh my goodness, I had so many flowers to do. And the Andersons, wonderful, wonderful couple. They moved away. He was my orthopedic doctor. But he and his wife stayed up till 3 o'clock in the morning helping me. Because earlier I had gone to the car. This is out in the desert, out in Bend area. And I put my arm down. I reached across for something, and a hornet stung me right in my armpit. Holy guacamole. I didn't cry, but I sure had to do some fast talking not to cry. And then I went out to get another load of flowers. And then I reached across, and then my other arm got stung. Right in the armpit. Both times. Armpit. Both armpits got stung with hornets. Oh, that hurt. Ooh, ooh. No, these bees won't go after you. Because when they sting you, their stinger stays in your flesh. And you have to pull the stinger out. It's best to take a credit card to scrape across. But what that means is that kills the bee because they leave their bottoms, their whole stinger, into your flesh and they die. Where a hornet, hornets are what I say a-holes. They have, and then those murder hornets, oh my gosh, they're here in Pacific Northwest. Not sure if they're here in Oregon, but they are horrible because they will sting you and they will kill you. They have 1/4 inch long stingers, and they will just go yike, 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 yike. And I've seen hornets do that. Anytime you have meat out or food out for a picnic, they just destroy your picnic. Anyway, God bless. Hope you have a wonderful day. I know it's hard. A lot of people are having a hard time. I feel so bad because I've been there without food, without TV, without radio. without books. My parents were gone. They left me alone to fend for myself. I was only 13 and 14 years old. I call myself a feral child. So it's made me very compassionate towards others. So anyway, God bless you.